The authorities are continuing to prioritize crimes commonly committed during the holiday season, including cases of online fraud or scams. Meanwhile, the PNP also warns against individuals who plan to illegally discharge firearms during the New Year celebration. Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
The guns of the police will not be muzzled this time for the New Year revelry. This has been the practice for 7 years, or since Senator Bato de la Rosa led the PNP as its former top cop. One of the considerations for the about phase is the incidents wherein the police need to respond immediately.
Kung sakasakali po nga magre-render po sila ng immediate police assistance ay hindi na sila mag-aalala na hindi po puputok yung baril nila dahil nakatape po yon na maaaring mag-hamper po sa mabilis po na response po nila. So yun po yung naging consideration po doon, and nabanggit ko nga po, in previous years naman po ay nakita naman po natin na naging effective naman po ito. Sabi ko nga, bagamat may mga naitala po tayo na mga insidente na mga illegal discharge, yung mga nakasuhan naman po doon ay natuloy po yung mga kaso po nila.
For the past 2 years, illegal discharge of firearms cases recorded reached more than 50 and injured 11 individuals. The PNP then reminded all of its personnel as well as other gun owners, they will be held liable for illegally shooting their firearms.
Maliban po sa criminal case na maaari po nilang kaharapin, na maaaring makapagtanggal po sila sa serbisyo. So again, we would like to take this opportunity to remind all our PNP personnel to refrain from using yung kanilang mga baril, lalong-lalo na sa pagsalubong po ng bagong taon. Yun po yung patuloy nating panawagan, hindi lamang po sa mga miyembro po ng pulis, pati na rin po sa other law enforcement agencies na katuwang natin sa pagbabantay, at syempre yung ating mga responsible gun owners.
5 days before Christmas, more and more are flocking to malls and bazaars for last-minute gift shopping. The PNP is also focused on particular crimes that entail full alert status, which has been raised since last week. Police data show crime dipped to 18% nationwide since September, when the Burr months started. For the whole year, the crime index dropped to 8%. But the PNP also monitors crimes in cyberspace amidst e-shopping and other online transactions for the holidays. Since September, more than 8,000 cases of online estafa or scams have been recorded, aside from other cyber crimes. This is why the public is once again reminded to be careful and stay vigilant.
May mga nagpo-promote ng mga raffle prices, bumili ka ng ganitong items, mura na, tapos entitled ka pa sa raffle. So karamihan sa nakikita po natin dyan, fake, yung lagi nating paalala po dyan. Kung hindi ka naman po sumali sa raffle po, ay wag po tayong mag-expect na mananalo po tayo. Lalo't ang nagsasabi po doon, hindi nyo naman po kilala at ini-entice po kayo, ini-engage po kayo na mag-register po, dahil once mag-register po kayo dyan sa hindi nyo po kilalang link, ay maaari pong makuha po yung mga personal data po ninyo, at maaari pong makompromise ang inyong mga bank accounts, ang inyong mga GCash account, at any other form of online payment accounts po. So mag-ingat po tayo.
Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.